Have you ever thought about using an indicator that automatically adapts to market conditions and clearly shows you whether we're in a trend or moving sideways? Today I'm going to introduce you to the RSI ADAPTIVE T3, created by the folks at Chart Prime. This indicator is smart. It automatically adjusts its sensitivity based on what the market is doing, whether it's calm or volatile. This can help you identify entries and exits with much more precision. If you enjoy learning about indicators and effective strategies, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Let's get into the content. How do you add it to your chart? To use this indicator, just open TradingView, which is the platform we'll be using. Today I'm going to use the Solana chart, USDT, which is a cryptocurrency, and I'll be using the 1-hour chart. This indicator works for crypto, Forex, stocks, all types of charts. We're going to click here on indicators and look for RSI ADAPTIVE T3, and it will show up right away. It's this first option from Chart Prime. Just click on it and it will appear on your chart, just like it did on mine. But what is the RSI ADAPTIVE T3? This indicator is a combination of two classic elements, the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, and the T3 Moving Average, created by Tim Tilson. The difference here is that the indicator automatically adjusts the T3 period based on the current RSI conditions. The result? A line that adapts in real time and helps identify trend direction, trend momentum strength, and levels of market volatility. What do you see on the chart? Blue T3 main line means an uptrend. Orange means a downtrend. This color change already gives you a quick view of the market direction. Adaptable volatility bands, above and below the T3 line. They expand when the market is volatile and contract when the market is calmer. Great for spotting possible breakouts. Markers, small diamonds or crosses, show where the T3 line crossed a lag version of itself. This can indicate trend reversals or good pullback points. By clicking here on the indicator settings gear, you can change several factors. You can change the RSI period, as well as the maximum and minimum period for the T3. Longer periods are ideal for swing traders. Shorter periods are ideal for day traders. There's also the volume factor tab, which controls how smooth the T3 curve will be. RSI length sets the calculation period for dynamic adjustment. You can also enable or disable the bands and change the colors however you like. Now you might be asking yourself, but how am I supposed to trade using this? Check out this example of a great bullish entry. Notice that here the price reversed, left the orange line, and started forming an uptrend, which is shown as blue here on our indicator. And the price started making higher highs and higher lows above it, showing a strong uptrend. When the price pulls back to the T3, like it did here, holds and doesn't break down, and then shows strength right after, like with these two candles, I'll check if the band starts to open up. Notice, here it was narrow and here it started to open up on both sides. This indicates strength in the movement. So here, what can I do? I could have opened my order right on this candle here. When the band started to open, set my stop loss a little below the last low, around 2%, and set my take profit at twice the risk above, that is, about 4%, and the chart would have hit it around here, giving a nice win. Now here's a bearish example so you can see how easy it is to use and how it can bring great returns. Check out this moment right here. The chart shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend. The chart also started making lower highs and lower lows below the T3 line. It came back to retest it, right at this point, and showed two strong candles. I could have entered at the close of the second candle when the band started to open. So at this point here, I make a sell, set my stop a little above the last high, in this case, at negative 2.4%, and I'll set my take profit at twice that to the downside, so around 4.8. And the chart hit it on this candle right here. And what's even more impressive is that if you had trailed the trade, moving your stop lower each time, you would have caught a nice trend that could have given you a return of up to 11% at this point, with a risk of only 2.5%. But remember, This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It's not a recommendation to buy or sell any assets. Always do your own analysis and consult professionals before investing. The RSI ADAPTIVE T3 is a powerful indicator that provides clear trend signals, adapts to volatility, and highlights possible reversals. All of this comes with much less lag than other moving averages. Whether you're a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, it's worth testing this indicator in your strategy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you'll always know when I post a new video about top indicators for you to use in your daily trading. Leave a like and also comment here for me. Do you use TradingView indicators in your daily routine? Thanks for watching and see you next time.